Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to download and install apps from the Google or Google Chrome in iPhone, iPad and iOS devices without App Store. So how you going to do that? So first of all, you have to do some necessary settings, which are as you have to simply open the settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on password. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the toggle of autofill password, and after that you have to scroll down, and here you have to click on screen time, and here you have to click on content and privacy, and here you can easily find iTunes and App Store, and here you have to click on require password don't require. And after that what you have to do next is you have to go back, and after that you have to close the settings, and you have to simply open Google or Google Chrome, and here you have to simply search any app you want to download or install. For example, if I want to download that game from the Google or Google Chrome, then here you can see there is the detail, and you can find the option of here. You have to click on that, and after some seconds of loading you have to click on that button, and you have to wait for some seconds so that it can be loaded. As you can see, there is option shown of download here. In this way you can simply download any app from the Google without App Store. Hope you have liked this video. If we were gonna get more videos like these, can you subscribe our channel?